Alright everyone, check it out. I'm over here at East 1400 Road, and it's sitting over here. It's the LORAM rail grinder. And if you remember, I don't know if you've seen them or not, but last year I caught it going through the night, through Perry and everything, up towards Topeka, Kansas. And a few years back I got it coming through Lawrence. So they're supposed to be moving out again around 7. So hopefully I'll be able to get this going again and get to catch it. It makes a great shot, and it's neat seeing them resurfacing the track. This way the trains can have something to get traction from. So it's pretty neat. Check it out, they're bringing in the water to fill the tankers up down there. This way, just in case, they can spray the track or the side. This way there is no fire when they're grinding. So they gotta fill all these black tankers up down here. So I'm pretty curious. If you know how many gallons of water those hold, let me know. Alrighty, well, I decided to come back home. They ended up having some difficulties with the rail grinder, so they didn't take off. I left there about 9:30, and it's kind of sad. It would have been a nice video seeing it up and running again, but you know, you gotta come home and cook dinner and stuff. So next time. It was still cool to get all these pictures, so I will have them for you at the end. So this will be a little short video for everyone to watch.